Want to build IoT projects but tired of overpriced displays? Meet Makerfabs' new budget king MaTouch Lite ESP32-s3 SPI 2.4. No need $99, not even $59, just $12.9.
Touch display. Esp32-s3 Smooth UI. Everything you need with the cheap price.
It's a 320 base 240 SPI display with ESP32-s3 controller
And expansion ports for GPIOs, SD cards, and USB. Once combining with the sensor, it can show the temperature, humidity, CO2, TVOC, and real-time. MaTouch Lite is ideal for various fields, like education, industry, etc.
Stop overpaying for your IoT displays. Get maximum performance on a minimum budget. Order right now and get an exclusive 20% off. Click the link below to grab yours.